Okay, so today's topic is base method with negative deviation. In previous class we have seen what are bases and what are deviation. We did how to multiply number having positive deviation. Now we will see how to multiply numbers having negative deviation. So let me take an example. Here the deviation of first number is -3 and the division of second number is -7. We divide our answer in two parts, LHS and RHS. For explaining,
Sir, can I tell the answer?
no, wait. For explanation, I will name them as D1 and D2. This is N1 and N2. So in RHS, I have to do D1 cross D2, that is 7 times 3, 21. LHS can be obtained in three ways. First, number 1 plus division 2. Second, number 2 plus division 1. Third, base plus division 1 plus division 2. Here the division is negative, so when you add a negative number, it simply means subtraction. Okay, so 97 minus 7 is 90 and the answer is 9021. Technique is clear? Is the technique clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
RHS has the same rule which was there for positive division, that is RHS must have same number of digits as there are zeros in the base. RHS must have same number of digits as there are zeros in the base. Got it? Okay, so let us take an example. 9 times 8. Tell me the answer. Anyone can tell the answer quickly?
72.
Yeah. Now let us see if the technique is applicable here also. So 2 times 1 is 2. In RHS, one digit is allowed since the base is 10 and 9 minus 2 is 7. So the technique is applicable here. Now let us take big numbers. 994 times 998. Redhan, pay attention what you are doing. I can see you playing.
Not me.
Redhan,
Sir,
Redhan.
I'm thinking of the answer.
Huh? Okay, anyone who knows the answer? This is -6. Here the division is -6 and here the division is -2.
99212. 012.
Yeah, 992012 is the right answer. This will become 6 times 2, 12, but I have to write 012 because the rule says RHS must have 3 digit in this case. 994 minus 2 is 992. Okay, next example. 995 times 996.
Nine 020.
Yes, 991020. Ridhan Chawla, are you Ridhan Chawla nahi, Rishan Chawla. Ridhan, are you able to get it what we are learning?
Yes.
I haven't seen a pen and a copy with you. What I can see you from the past 5 minutes, you are playing with some chord. Keep that chord aside and focus. Okay, next 999 into 998.
Sir, how to do the answer? 997002.
Yes, 997002.
Sir, I was just about to say that.
Okay, now we have to divide our answer in two parts. Here the division is -1 and here the division is -2. RHS is obtained by multiplying D1 and D2. So 2 times 1 is 2. But in RHS we have to write as many number of digits as there are zeros in the base. So I have to convert this 2 into 002. Then the next step for LHS is 999 minus 2, which is 997. Clear, Rishan? Rishan, Sujit, is it?
Yes, sir.
Is clear to you all? Now you will answer in chat box privately to me. I am giving questions. You have to answer it in chat box privately to me. Don't broadcast your answer. Let everyone find the answer. Check once again. Your answer is not correct, Rishan Chawla.
One 004 007.
No, it's not the right answer.
Nine 9807.
No, this is not the right answer. And you have to give answer in chat box privately to me. You don't have to speak the answer. Okay, I am solving this question. The division for first number is 3 and the division for second number is -9. So the divisions are -3 and -9. You will multiply both the division. You will get 027. You will get 27, but you will write 3 digit. So it's going here, Rishan Chawla. Now your answer is correct. It's 027. Then 997 minus 9 is 988. So the answer is 988027. Okay, next question, next example for you. 994 into 996.
Sir, can you please repeat the technique? It's not clear.
What I should do? I should again tell the technique.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It has come. It is the sound is coming and going like blinking.
The technique is divide the answer in two parts, LHS and RHS. In RHS, multiply both the deviation and follow the rule which says RHS must have same number of digits as there are zeros in the base. And for our LHS, follow either of the three steps. जो अच्छा लगे n1 plus d2 or n2 plus d1 or base plus deviation 1 plus deviation 2. Rishan Chawla, your answer is correct. Ridhan, try again. This is minus 6 and minus 4. Deviations are minus 6 and minus 4. For RHS, I will multiply both of them. 6 times 4 is 24. So I will write 0 to 4. And then for LHS, I will subtract 4 from this number. So I will get 990. So the correct answer is 990024.
So now I got a mistake. I accidentally added it instead of subtracting it.
Yeah, I got that. Okay, we will practice more questions. The technique is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Answer me privately in chat. Okay, sir. Rishan, the answer is not correct. Rishan, your answer is correct. Ridhan, your answer is correct. The correct answer is you will do minus 5 and minus 8. This becomes 40. You will write 040.
99710.
This is 995 minus 8, which is 987. So 987040 is the right answer. 96 times 92. Rishant answer is correct. Ridhan, the answer is correct. Okay, so this is minus 4 and minus 8. 8 times 4 is 32 and 96 minus 8 is 88. So the answer is 8832.
Rishan Chawla, correct answer.
Rishan Chawla, correct answer. Vidhan, try again.